Hello students, today we will discuss about Salim, character of Salim. Okay, we find a reference about him when Anarkali tells Uma that Kamla was burned to death by the wife of Salim, perhaps because she was very beautiful, and Salim's wife of Salim's perhaps because she was very beautiful and Salim's wife naturally must have been jealous of her. She must have suspected that Salim might leave her and marry Kamla. Okay. Next, a mysterious character. Salim is introduced like a mysterious character whose identity is not fully disclosed till the end, and a suspicion regarding his behavior is maintained. Anarkali reports that Kamla was very beautiful, and that is why Salim's wife put fire to her beautiful skin and burned her to the other world. But the really about who was Salim's wife and how did she reach the private wedding of Subbu and Kamla is not clear. Naturally, therefore, the suspicion that Salim is behind the murder of Kamla persists till the last scenes of the play. This factor provided the play a touch of being near to a detective story. Next, a bodyguard of the Deputy Chief Minister. In fact, Salim is the bodyguard of the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Sharma, his most trusted man, who performs all the secret works of his boss. He never questions whether the order of Mr. Sharma is right or wrong, but obeys him most faithfully. This faith is recognized when he frequently goes to Champa to ask for the photo of the marriage of Subbu and Kamla. He was present at the wedding and had noticed that Kamla had given that picture to Anarkali. He disclosed this fact to Mr. Sharma had given that picture to Anarkali, who entrusted him with the job of recovering it from them in any way. At the end of the play, Uma disclosed this fact and says what Salim had to tell him about the picture. Okay, Mr. Sharma simply had to have the picture. He sent Salim to threaten Anarkali and Champa. Salim tries his best to comply with the orders of Mr. Sharma because he knows that his boss stands behind him and nothing wrong can happen with him. Uma asks him about his wife. In the beginning, he tells that she has gone to her village, but when he finds no way out, and Uma presses upon him to tell the fact, he confesses, I will confess, madam, I killed her. But even this behavior is not gentlemanly because he knows that Uma cannot harm him in any way. He tells another lie and tries to misguide Uma by requesting her not to disclose this fact to anybody. After Uma has gone from there, he reacts sharply before his companions and says to Munnuswamy, my boss will get me out of the mess. Then I will get you and that woman for insulting me like his. Next, Salim acts as a mediator. Okay. He is always prepared to do anything for Mr. Sharma and his family. Even Subbu had great faith in him and says to him in a very sad tone, Salim, I trusted you, you promised. Salim acts as a mediator between Subbu and Kamla and used to take her out to Subbu, but this fact was concealed from everybody. Even Champa and Anarkali did not know anything about it. Anarkali tells Uma, first I thought Salim was taking her for his own pleasure. When she told me about Subbu, madam, I tried to stop her. In this way, Salim is in the center of the whole case of Kamla's murder, but after the death of Subbu, Mr. Sharma must have defended him because we don't hear anything about him. Subbu, the son of Mr. Sharma, overhears all his discussion about the arrest of Salim and requests her not to do so because in his opinion he is a good man. Mr. Sharma introduced him to Uma and says that he's so nervous because he is looking after all the preparations of his marriage, himself. When Uma congratulates him, he expresses his dislike for the ceremonies like marriage and wants to stop all this. Uma is happy that Mr. Sharma must have found some beautiful girl for him, and Mr. Sharma asks him to go back to his room at once. He also goes, saying that now he has to look after the arrangements. He requests Uma to postpone the arrest of Salim for some days till the marriage of Subbu is completed, because Salim otherwise he will be disturbed as he loves him very much. He assures her that after the marriage he will himself hand over Salim to the police, and Uma repents why she involved herself in this case for nothing. उमा जो है घर से बाहर जाती है। मन्नू सामी उसकी प्रतीक्षा कर रहा है। वह कार में बैठ जाती है। वह उसे बताती है कि वो सलीम के घर नंबर 12 पैलेस रोड जा रहे हैं। परंतु जब मुन्नू सामी उसे सचेत करता है कि इस प्रकार वह सीधे नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि वह मंत्री जी का निवास है। उमा उसे सूचित करती है कि अखबार की खबरों के अनुसार वह अमेरिका में है, अतः कोई भी कठिनाई नहीं है। Just then Mr. Sharma the minister appears there and asks them why have they entered there without permission. Uma assures him that they have come there in the interest of everybody and then introduces herself and tells him that she could not take any appointment with him because she thought he was in America. Now she tells him that she wants to talk to him privately about his bodyguard Salim. Both of them go in. Outside, the people talk variously about Salim. Some say that he was a fool to marry a hijra while he could get a good girl, and some say that they already suspected his character, but Salim is fearless and is sure that his master will certainly bring him out of this difficulty. In the room after taking with Uma, Mr. Sharma is satisfied that she is doing all this for her thesis and that she thinks that Salim loved Kamla and has killed her. Uma assures that she is investigating, so it is important to take Salim to police station for further inquiry. Both of them expresses great surprise why Salim has killed her, and Mr. Sharma suspects that some of the hijra must have bribed him to kill her. Uma knows that Munuswami has been visiting this place. Father is unwell. Uma knows that She tells him that according to her information, Salim often came to see Kamla and wanted to marry her. At this, he laughs at the idea of man marrying a Hijra. Uma feels that Champa and others are hiding some facts from her and concludes that if anyhow she succeeds in winning their faith, her work would become quite easy and they will talk to her openly about themselves. They reach the gate of the minister's residence. Manuswami orders the watchman to open the gate and they reach the servants' courtyard. He asks about Salim and a man frightened of the police comes forward. Uma tells him that she wants to talk to his wife, but Salim tells that her mother is not well and so she has gone to her village. Uma knows that he is telling a lie and so assures him that they will not arrest her, rather only ask a few questions. She knows that she must be hiding somewhere at this place. Salim is now afraid and confessed that he is not yet married.